Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your laptop. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. The official option is Tencent Gaming Buddy, also known as Game Loop, specifically designed for PUBG Mobile. Other excellent choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player, offering broad compatibility for many mobile games. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step to enjoying the game on a larger screen. Once you have chosen an emulator, the next step is installation. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer file. After downloading, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. It is important to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 2 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth performance. With your emulator installed, it is time to get PUBG Mobile running. Launch the emulator and navigate to its integrated app store, much like Google Play Store. Search for PUBG Mobile, then download and install the game directly within the emulator. Once installed, you can log in using your existing PUBG Mobile account to access your progress, or easily create a new account to start fresh. To enhance your gameplay, optimize the settings. Access the game's graphics options within the emulator to balance visual quality with smooth performance, perhaps choosing smooth graphics with a high frame rate. Crucially, customize your keyboard and mouse controls to your preference. Most emulators provide intuitive key mapping tools. Many even offer pre-configured control schemes, making it easy to jump right into the action with precise movements and aiming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.